Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? I got somebody with me that we just came from church and we just came from Popeyes. I'm gonna let her tell you her name. What is your name?
Kamaya.
Kamaya what?
Clay.
Clay? And what's my name?
I don't know.
You don't know my name?
He's Mr. Funeybone.
Where we been today?
We've been to Popeyes and church.
How long we had to wait at Popeyes? An hour?
Yeah.
A whole
long
hour?
time.
What did you get?
I got macaroni and cheese and chicken and a biscuit with syrup.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Was it worth the wait?
Mm-hmm.
It was? I don't know. It might not have been for me, but it might have been for you. It was the wait. So what you gonna do when you get home?
Play with my baby brother.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And eat all my Easter candy.
No, I'm gonna steal some of it.
No.
Why not? You don't want me to steal it?
No.
Why? I want some candy too.
There's some candy at the store.
No, I want some of yours. You got that from the church. I want some of that from the church.
You could get
That
some.
candy be blessed, because we got it from the church. So I'm gonna get some of that. So you tell them Happy Easter,
Happy Easter.
and you'll see them the next time.
What about her friend?
Huh?
What about her friend? She said.
You gotta tell us what your friend name. What is that? What is that? What kind of dog is that? That look like some kind of Hello Kitty or one of the rabbits or something. Is that something like that? It look like.
She's a part of Hello Kitty family.
Oh, who? Oh, okay. That's what I said. It look like. What's her name? Melanie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Melanie might cost too much. How much was Melanie?
$9, I think.
$9. Melanie had to stay at Walmart. But we're gonna wish y'all a happy Easter. And Maya and me want to wish y'all a happy Easter. We done went to church, we done ate, and Maya getting ready to go home. She getting ready to play, and we getting ready to relax. So happy Easter, y'all, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.